Hi guys, my name is Awas and I've come from Birmingham, UK. So I need to go through some treatment for my teeth on the upper, and I've searched for so many different clinics who do provide you with different sort of treatments and whatever the packages they offer. However, I came across Smile Centre Turkey, and the guys here have been amazing. Literally before catching that flight and coming into Antalya for my treatment, I was constantly messaging one of the colleagues named Yana, who was very helpful. Every question I had to ask her, any answers I needed, she was always there. The English was great, there was no language barrier, no misunderstanding or miscommunications. Everything was explained perfectly. I was given a quotation on the prices and I was more than happy to proceed with my treatment. So the next step was for me to book my flight tickets and come into Antalya. I was told that my hotel and my dental treatment will be included in a package. So I had no concern in booking a hotel, as I knew this was already covered within the package. As I landed in Antalya airport, I was greeted by a driver who had my name on his name board, and he picked us up and took me directly to my hotel where I was staying, which I may add was a 5-star all-inclusive hotel, literally 50 meters away from the beach with an amazing view, and I couldn't complain. From there, I had met up with both Ali and Mert, who have been amazing. They are absolutely beautiful and brilliant human beings, both inside and outside. They've been phenomenal. Literally anything I've needed, any places I've needed to go, they were a message away, a call away. I needed to do some last minute shopping to buy family and friends gifts, and literally they don't have to, but they've taken time out, picked me up, taken me to the markets, the malls, taken me for food, different places, and I can't actually thank them more than enough. In regards to the treatment, when I came into the clinic, honestly, it's so clean. They have the latest technology, they have the latest machinery, and everybody in this clinic is so friendly, so helpful. One thing with me in the UK, I actually feel nervous and anxious when I visit the dentists, but I've come into this clinic, honestly, I've not been nervous once. I haven't felt that anxious feeling. Also, I have a really bad gag reflex, but here, I don't know how they've done it, but honestly, it's been amazing. I've not actually had the gag reflex as strong here. The pain relief and the anesthetic they use, it's top quality. These guys are definitely guys who use top quality products, the machinery, everything, and I would highly recommend and advise for those who are looking to do any treatments, including for dental treatments, to visit Smile Centre Turkey. These guys are amazing and they will help you with anything you need. Even if it's just general stuff around Antalya, they're there for you. Thank you very much, guys, and I hope to see you very soon. I'm so happy that I've met my Turkish family in Antalya. Thank you, guys.